This light provides 1600 lumens and is a power bank. This helmet has 5 integrated lights, a windscreen, and turn signals. And do you think this bike lock is going to cut it? In today's video, I'm going to be featuring all these accessories on Lectric's XP Lite 2.0, but if you don't have this model or any of Lectric's other models, don't worry, this video is still for you. Most of these accessories are universally compatible, and if I do cover an accessory that you're interested in checking out, we have a blog post linked in the description with links to everything I'm showing you here today, and using those links before you go to make a purchase is a direct free way for you to support the work we do at Ebike Escape, and we thank you for that support. The XP Lite 2.0 starts at $799, but this here is actually the belt drive version, which comes in at $899. And it's pretty crazy to find a belt driven e-bike under $1,000. And this is the lowest price e-bike that we like to recommend because you are getting an amazing quality e-bike for what you're paying for. But unless there's a sale going on, it basically comes naked, so you're likely going to want to accessorize it. Before I get into showing you all the accessories I have here, there are 2 essential accessories that you'll want to consider right off the bat. If you're looking for more rain protection, Lectric does sell optional fenders for $49, and a rear rack is essential for commuting. That comes in at $79 and has a 50-pound weight capacity. They say safety first, so let's start off with helmets. And I have a couple from Lectric's website and a new one to Ebike Escape that I'm excited to show you. First up, we have Laser's Kinetic Core helmet. This is a very lightweight helmet. It doesn't have MIPS technology, but it has its proprietary Kinetic Core technology, which means it has a couple crumple zones in the helmet to take most of the blow if you do take a spill. And they have a replacement program. So if you register your helmet, they will actually send you a replacement if you take a crash on this, which is cool. It is compatible with an LED light as well, but nice lightweight option for you to check out on Lectric's website. Next up, we have a helmet from Burn. This is the Burn Hudson helmet. It is a very sturdy helmet, very appropriate for electric bike riding. And this has MIPS technology in it, so it has that low friction layer inside, and that does a good job of dispersing energy if you do take a spill. And it has a light that can fit into the back here, so you can have a little bit extra visibility on the road in low light conditions. And if you've ever seen any of my reviews on the channel, you've probably seen me wearing this helmet quite a bit. It has been a very trusty helmet for me. All right, and then I have the helmet I showed you at the beginning of the video. This is from Lumos. This is their Ultra e-bike helmet, and it has 5 integrated lights. You can have them flash, you can have them be steady. It is USB-C rechargeable. It has MIPS technology. I have a winter liner in there because I'm in Wisconsin. It's quite cold in the fall and winter, so I can keep my ears warm. And it has that integrated turn signal technology too. And what's really nice is it beeps in your ear to let you know your turn signals are on. Too many times I've been on an e-bike with turn signals and I've forgotten to turn it off, and then I have a car pulling up behind me letting me know I've been riding a quarter mile with my turn signal on. But what's also really cool is Lumos has their Firefly mini set, and what is great about these is they're magnetic lights that you can mount anywhere on your bike. These are bar end mounts. You can also get it, put a couple on the back of your seat as well. And it all connects via Bluetooth pretty seamlessly. There's also app connectivity. So overall, a very cool helmet with a lot of tech integration. I could probably do a full video on this helmet. This is definitely the premium option that I'm showing you here. However, if you do have the budget for it, that extra visibility and safety is definitely worth considering. Next, we have a battery travel case from Lectric. They advertise this as fitting 1 battery, but because the XP Lite has such a thin battery, I can actually fit 2 inside of here. Now, one of these is for my XP 3.0 because I only have 1 XP Lite battery, but pretty cool that you can get 2 batteries in here. And then you have a mesh zipper on the top, so you can store your charger up there and your keys. Keep any metal things away from the terminal so you don't accidentally spark your batteries. And this is a water resistant material. It has a nice waterproof lining on the zipper, nice big handles for you to carry it around. So overall, a very nice EVA molded case from Lectric. But if you're looking for something that might be waterproof and fire resistant, we actually have another option that we sell on our shop at shop.ebikeescape.com. This is a roll top battery case. Like I said, it is waterproof and fire resistant. You slip your battery inside there, roll up the top, give it a click, and it has a nice little handle here for carrying it around. And it has these straps on it so you can attach it to your rear rack if you do want to take an extra battery with you on your trip. Otherwise, it is just great storage, and having that waterproofing just gives you a nice dry place to store your battery. Up front, we upgraded to Lectric's Elite headlight. This provides 850 lux. And right behind that, we have the front basket that comes with Lectric's cargo package. This has a weight capacity of 30 pounds. They have a bunch of accessories that you can include with this basket too. And then moving on to the handlebars, we have a cockpit cover here made by Ebike. It is a high quality ripstop material that's water resistant. Now, cockpit cover isn't something that I would think about on my own, but now that it's on the handlebars, I think it's kind of a no-brainer, especially if you're putting your bike on the back of your vehicle and you want to protect the electronics and all that is mounted to your handlebars. What is really nice about this is you don't have to take off any of the accessories. It's plenty big, and it's universal for many different handlebar styles as well. And underneath, I'll reveal a bunch of accessories I have mounted to the handlebars here. We have, first up, Lectric's bike bell. This is a copper bike bell that gives 134 decibels of sound to alert passerbys. But this has a secret as well, because if we twist the bell, underneath is a spot where you can put an air tag so you can track your bike if the worst happens and somebody does take your e-bike. Then we have a phone mount that we sell on our website that is made by Ebike. It is the Elastocase quick release universal phone mount. I've had my iPhone mini in this, but I can also show you it can handle bigger phones too. This is my Pixel phone with a 6.7 inch screen. So very versatile. It is truly universal. And we do have a couple different mounts that you can opt for to fit your handlebars if this style doesn't work for you. We use this phone mount with all of our testing and our reviews. It has a nice rubber build and it takes vibrations really well. I'm not worried if I hit a bump that my phone is going to fall out. It has been very trusty so far. Moving on, we have Lectric's beacon headlight. Now, what's cool about this is, yes, it can provide up to 1600 lumens. You can have it flash, you can have it pulse, you can have it steady, and you can see this is during the day. You can actually see it on the wall here that it provides plenty of light. And what else is great about this is this has the LED screen to let you know how much time you have left before that battery runs out. And you can see if I have it on full blast, I got about a half an hour left. Now, last thing is this is USB-C rechargeable, but it is also a power bank. It gives you 4,000 milliamps of power. It's a USB-A out for the power. So what's great about a light like this is that you can angle it however you want. And if you are, let's say, camping or something like that, and you forget your flashlight, you can just pop it off your handlebars and you got that. And then if you need to charge your phone in your tent, you can take it in your tent with you. So a really cool product from Lectric. I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a high quality light with some extra functionality. And then on the end of the handlebars here, we have a bar end HD mirror that we sell on our website. What's great about bar end mirrors is it gets out of the way of your arm. It doesn't mess with where you put your hand on the handlebars, and it has a ball joint on here so you can make adjustments however you need. It's very flexible. And then on the back side of the handlebars here, we have Lectric's extension mount. So if you're running out of real estate on your handlebars, This is a great option, so you can mount a couple extra accessories. I have the phone mount mounted to it, as well as the beacon light from Lectric. This is also a battery bank, which is really cool. It is also USB-C rechargeable, and it is a USB-A out. It gives 4,000 milliamps of power. So if your bike does not have a USB out for charging your phone, that is a nice alternative, so you can keep your phone charged up as you ride. So a pretty cool accessory if you need a little extra real estate on your handlebars. Moving to the center of the bike, we have our ABC bottle cage. This is a ratchet style bottle cage. Right now I have Lectric's bottle lock, but you can put a variety of water bottles. You can fit a Nalgene water bottle in here. Ryan had a wine bottle in it in his last video. Now with the top load bottle cage, it comes with an adapter, and this is for people that do not have bottle cage bosses on their bike, so you can Velcro it to any bike. So it truly is a universal bottle cage. If you have a top tube that doesn't give you a lot of clearance to work with a top load bottle cage, we do have a side load bottle cage as well. The ratchet is on the side, so you can check that out. It does not come with the strap adapter, but we do sell it separately, so you can pick that up if you don't have those bottle cage bosses. Next, I have Lectric's top tube bag. This mounts with a couple of suction cups, and then you have a Velcro strap for the top tube as well as the stem. So you just get that Velcroed to your bike like so and like so. Now there's a couple cool things about this. You can put your phone in the top. It is touchscreen compatible, so you can work your phone without having to take it out. It's made with a water resistant material. It has a nice liner for the zipper to keep water out. Your phone just Velcros in the top here, and then you have a good amount of storage to put like keys or a wallet or something like that. It's the center console for your bike. Now moving to the rear of the bike, we have the second part of Lectric's cargo package. This is the rear basket, and inside the basket I have Lectric's roll top carrying bag. This Velcros to the basket, and what is great about this is it is a water resistant material. You have this nice liner on the bottom, and it's a magnetic closure, so super quick and easy to just snap that together, roll it up, clip it on, and you're off and running. And if you take a look inside, there's no inside zippers or anything like that. It's just a nice big open cavity, so you can put your trip essentials in here, or if you want to run errands like to the grocery store, you can put them in there. Next up, we have Lectric's pannier bags, and this is mirrored on both sides, so you get two. This is super useful. You have a zipper pocket on the outside for quick grab items, and then you have the larger pocket on the inside here. This Velcros down and straps onto your rear rack here. And what's really nice is they thought about putting in access points so you can mount, let's say, a cargo cage on top of it as well. Now, if you've ever been on Lectric's website, you'll often see that they include a comfort package, which is the larger saddle and a pogo style suspension seat post. And this is great for adding a little extra comfort. However, we have a better option to show you. This is the bump stop suspension seat post on our website. This is from Bike Case. It just offers a lot more travel than the pogo style suspension seat posts. If you have a rigid fork on your bike, or you're just looking for that little extra cushion for your cushion, I would highly recommend checking this out. Having been on it, I am not going back. This is one of my favorite accessories to put on any of my bikes. And we don't sell this one, but this is a YLG saddle, and this is probably one of the most comfortable saddles that I've ever sat on. All right, now I have a few bike locks to show you, a couple from Lectric's website, as well as one from our own. First up, we have the bottle style lock from Lectric. It is a cable lock that spools on the inside, so you just pull it out, wrap it around whatever you need to. It inserts in the head of the bottle here, and you just pop that in, and then you're locked up. In the bottom here, you can twist this off, and it's a good place to store some things, store the keys, so you won't lose them. And when you're done, you twist the top here to get that to spool back inside the bottle. And then mounted to the back of the seat tube here, I have Lectric's folding lock. And that comes out just like that. Gives you a little bit of room to lock your bike up here, but pretty cool that it just folds up and you can just put it on the back of your bike. Now, often you'll see either the bottle style lock or the folding lock included with any electric bike that you buy, and it is great that they add something in. Something's better than nothing. However, I would not trust my e-bike for too long with either one of the locks. I'd be afraid of brute force being able to break the folding lock, and if somebody has a wire cutter, cable style locks, just don't cut it. So if you're looking for something more secure for your e-bike, I'd recommend a chain style lock. We have this chain case lock from Bike Case. It's the Chain Case X-TREME. It's a 4-foot lock with titanium reinforced steel chain. It has a nice chain guard here that is water resistant, and the lock is a dual bolt pattern, and it has bump lock technology in it, which makes it harder to pick your lock or tamper with the lock. So this is definitely my go-to if I'm leaving my bike outside for a long time, and the other ones would be great for a quick in and out of a store, but I wouldn't trust those for too long. And that's gonna do it for the accessories they have to show you today. Thank you very much for watching till the end. And if you have any questions about the accessories you've seen, or you have experience with any of them, let us know in the comments. We do have that blog post in the description with links to every single one of these accessories if you want to check them out. And using those links is a free way for you to support the channel. So thank you so much for that support. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.